Now we'll be going into integer multiplication and division and mixed operations. We'll be using x and y to represent positive numbers and negative x and negative y to represent negative numbers. So if we have a positive number multiplying or dividing a positive number, you will get a positive number. One example of this will be, for example, 2 times 2. Both 2 and 2 are positive, so the final answer will be 2 times 2, 4, and 4 is a positive number. If we have a positive number multiplying or dividing a negative number, you will get a negative number. One example of this is 2 times negative 2. So it will be a negative number. Then you take 2 times 2, you'll get 4. So the answer of this is negative 4. If we have a negative number multiplying or dividing a negative number, you will get a positive number. An example of this is negative 2 times negative 2. Since it's two negatives, the final answer will be positive 2 times 2, and that will be 4.
Click subscribe to become smarter with Learn Maths Today channel.